Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S40 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store. Then click on the search bar, type iOS Launcher, and install this free app from this developer. Then just open it. Now select Allow in the pop-ups, click Home button, tap on iOS Launcher, select Always, and tap on Got It. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!